All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and if you watched last Friday's video, you know I've been on a kick on Vim Magrails. I went ahead and ordered a jobber pack from Amazon. I'll put a link in the comments for it if you want to buy it. Appreciate it. And I've also been buying some from Mac, who now have different colors. As you see, I got a nice black one. Also, orange. I've been adding a bunch of Vim Magrails to my toolbox and roll cart, trying to get sockets off of the old school metal ones, trying to maximize my space. I got rid of some plastic boxes and did some reorganization, so we're going to do a tour of what the changes have been, and I still have a couple left, so. All right, so only a little bit has changed on my roll cart. Most of this stuff was already here before. I did swap out my Matco swivels for my ADV set, but more or less that hasn't changed, and I'm missing a socket. Yay, I'm freaking believable. I lost so many damn tools. The rest of it hasn't really changed too much. I do need to put pegs in this set right here, but I've got the pegs, I just haven't gone about doing it. I also added this strip up here for various sockets that I use relatively often. Got a spare 10 millimeter, got to have a spare 10, a 13, an 8, E-Torx and chrome universals from Snap-on, along with more E-Torx, a 1/4 inch for hose clamps, a magnetic 10 that was extra that I already owned, a 1/2 inch for those junky lead acid battery terminals, a little swivel, and I already had these up here before, but not a whole lot's changed up here. All right, up in my socket drawer on my Revel X, over on this side, I now have my Popular Mechanics sockets in SAE on Magrails, so they're now more organized. They're not on those strips anymore. I also took my impact sockets from Snap-on in deep and shallow and 1/2 inch, along with my 3/8 in shallow and deep, and put them on Magrails as well. Got rid of the plastic piece that's been in my toolbox for many, many years and put them on Magrails. As you can see, I've got Snap-on sockets up to 1 9/16", and in deep up to 1 1/4". I also had a little leftover strip that I've put some flip sockets on. And then over here, I still have this blue Magrail to use. Might use it for these, might not. I'm still going to hold on to these because they're deeper than the Matco, so they come in handy every now and then. I've got these two recent purchases from VimTools that came on black Magrails set here, and then I've got multiple orange Magrails from Mac Tools, and I've got my more Torx, some adapters, my Snap-on set of Torx. This is not on a Magrail, it's just sitting here on this metal rail. My E-swivels that are useless from VimTools, the big set. If you don't buy this set, buy the 1/4 inch set, way more useful. Security Torx from Snap-on, and then I've got the 5-point security from VimTools. Koken E-Torx. I don't like this set as well as my Vim set, as they're up to 3/8. And what I normally do is use 1/4 inch. Triple square from Gear Wrench on swivels. Not as useful as I hoped they would be, but they might come in handy every now and then. And then a Snap-on set of triple squares that I rarely use. I've got a double here, but I don't use them very often. I normally use my Blue Point set, so I put them in here. So this is the updated of the socket drawer featuring Vim Magrails. As always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.